Hello everyone, in this video I tell you how to treat droopy eyelids naturally. First one is olive oil. The antioxidants in olive oil help in treating the problem of drooping eyelids pretty well. Heat some olive oil. Once you get it to lukewarm temperature, massage your eyelids with it and let it stay overnight. Wash it with cold water. The technique will help in rejuvenating your eyelids at the same time restore the skin elasticity. Plus, olive oil is known to keep the skin moisturized and prevent dryness. Number 2 is drink water. It is very effective remedy. You should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Not drinking enough water in a day is a common sagging eyelid causes. Therefore, drink plenty of water on a daily basis to prevent the problem of droopy eyelids. Number 3 is eat grapes. This is a good option since grapes have high content of resveratrol which helps prevent or slow down the cellular aging process. Add more grapes to your daily diet and see how drooping eyelids can be made a thing of the past. Number 4 is cucumber. It is a very effective remedy for drooping eyelids. All you need to do is put some slices of chilled cucumber over your eyelids and let them stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Cucumber is a good in hydrating skin and restoring the skin firmness, which is needed for the hour. Besides, cucumber is a good source of potassium and vitamin C that help in treating drooping eyelids. Number 5 is chamomile. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory agent which help to treat the condition of drooping eyelids. In order to gain from it, put chamomile tea bags in the refrigerator to some time and then place it over the eyes. Keep them on for 20 minutes. By making this your regular routine, you will start to see the benefits in no time.